Breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, especially when you've got Eggland's best eggs on your plate. Breakfast fuels your body with the nutrients it needs to take on the day, and Eggland's best eggs are even more nutritious than ordinary eggs. Let's break down 3 common breakfasts and find out what nutrients you're getting from each. Here's a classic: Eggland's best eggs and bacon with a side of breakfast potatoes. Eggs are known to pack a protein punch, but did you know Eggland's best eggs also contain omega-3s? When you choose Eggland's best, you get more than double the omega-3s compared to ordinary eggs. Now for the bacon. While it is high in saturated fat, bacon also contains the minerals niacin and selenium. As for the breakfast potatoes, they're a good source of potassium. Next up, an Eggland's best hard-cooked peeled egg paired with granola and berries. Every Eggland's best egg has more than double the amount of vitamin B12, 6 times the amount of vitamin D, and 10 times the vitamin E compared to ordinary eggs. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, and granola helps you fill up on fiber. Finally, a poached Eggland's best egg on your avocado toast. An Eggland's best egg makes the standard brunch order more nutritious and also ups your intake of an antioxidant called lutein. Multigrain toast is rich in fiber, and avocado provides extra omega-3s on top of what you're already getting from your Eggland's best egg. With Eggland's best, you get better taste, better nutrition, and better eggs.